the same fellow, he again recorded my statement, which I personally feel this is political. We should not allow this type of people to take advantage. If you really wanted to do sincerely for any issues, please, why should you record my voice? What is the benefit you have? Just go and talk, or through proper channel you go. Because I think that particular area falls under Mairang block, and in Mairang subdivision. It's not far away. It's not far away, or Motoration. It's not far away from the administration. So therefore, I personally feel people, they should have personally lodge official complaint to the concerned officers, and then they'll take a call. But by doing this, I'm telling you, this is political. So I want people this time, from the government side, anybody who play politics, just leave aside. Okay? We should not. And right now we are in crisis. Why should we talk politics? Why should people talk about NPP or about Congress or about SSBP or UDP? We are here to protect our own people. So we should not talk politics. And please, I request them, I keep requesting, those people who's trying to politicize, just leave us alone. Okay? Next.